Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to take a look at the iconic EVO large tail pack that I use on general day trips out, and I've used it on my solo touring trips, and I've found it to be an excellent piece of kit. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we have it on the bike. Although it's the large tail pack, doesn't impose itself. It sits nicely on the bike. It's got 4 straps, so here's the 2 of them on this side and 2 on that side, and what you do is you crisscross it under either your rear seat or if you've got a luggage rack of some sort. Okay, so guys, I'm going to pack this as if you were going on let's say you're going away for a weekend. Just show you what kind of, so all I'm doing is I've got a pair of jeans, couple of pairs of jocks, couple of t-shirts, some socks, a jumper, maybe some spare motorcycle gloves, your winter gloves, and a cap, and there we go. I mean, it's already taken quite a lot. Plus, I haven't expanded it, which I could still do, and still get a lot more in there. So, it's pretty versatile, you know, quite a large pack. And there we go. Strap that on the bike, and off you go.
A few moments later.
Okay, so to attach it, got these really cool clips here. 2 straps. It's got this kind of really rubbery bottom to it. That's pretty waterproof. And then what I do is I just feed this through there. Obviously this will be different for every bike, but feed that through there, and this one through there, and then basically crisscross these over. This one goes in there, and this one goes in there. Tighten it down, and it sits really quite solidly like that. We opened up, it's got on the cover here, it's got some really handy pockets, velcro closed. See, if you're going on a long trip, you can put your whatever you want in there. Pocket here, a couple of pens if you want to take pens with you. Couple of really nice pockets on each side, and really quite a good space there to put stuff. And then the nice thing about this being the large one is you can bung your helmet in there, close that down, and then this fantastic zip, just go all the way around and zip that round, and there we go. So it takes a full face helmet. Really excellent. You can lock that if you need to, but I think that's a really great feature to have on it. If you want to, if it's raining, open up this little pocket. Out comes your waterproof section. Close that first. Got a nice elastic band on it. Stretch over the whole thing. And there we go, nice and waterproof. So, all in all, a really good tail pack. If you're in the market, I would definitely look at buying that. Good quality piece of kit. So guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, it's a nice bit of kit. Please leave a like if you can, and enjoy the ride.